What is going on YouTube? It's your neighborhood redneck, back at you again. Got some more stuff in today for the build. Let's get it unboxed and take a quick peek. So this is the Corsair gaming keyboard. It's the K55 RGB. I'll be putting a link to this in the description. I got this for the build we're doing now. Alright. So it's nicely branded Corsair on the top there. These are some really nice silent keys. Soft press. I really like it. But let's get your play, pause. Alright. We got the ohm in here. Plug it in real quick. Look at that right away. Breathing RGB lights. That's pretty cool. And also included with this keyboard was the plastic with a kind of a rubber grip, wrist rest. Just snaps on there. So. And you're ready to go. And the USB, it's a decent length. I think it's at least a 4 foot. Alright. Now the second thing we got here. Here's the second one. So, this is from Bladehawk Gaming. It's an LED gaming mouse pad. So it's multicolor. This one's the BX04. I got the large so that my keyboard can fit on it too. So take a peek. Nothing else in the box. Look at that. That's a nice big size there. Real soft. My mouse will glide real nice across that. Roll it up real easy. Over here you get the power button and it changes the RGB lighting effects. Like breathing and or color all the way around. And it's got a USB to micro USB power cable. So let's plug this in and see what it does. Alright. So we got it plugged into the Omen now. Just press the power button. It lights up all the way around. Now it's breathing. I like it on that one, just cycle through all the colors. Let's get the keyboard out and see what it looks like. There, I got all three of them, my keyboard, mouse, and the pad form. And yeah, my mouse feels real nice. It glides real easy across there. I like that. Keyboard works awesome, as expected. I'll put a link to all these in the description for everybody. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. We got that build coming.